Here is the file Mike has received from Rahul. This file contains rental activity of India region. Now let's go to MySQL Workbench. We will connect to US Office. On this server, we can see there are three different databases exist: Sakila, Test and World. Sakila database contains rental activity of United States region. We have to restore another database on the same server. Mike decides to create another database called Sakila India on this server. Create database Sakila India. Click on Execute and click on Refresh on the left side of Navigator pane. Sakila India database is now visible under Schemas. Click on Expand and click over here one more time. You will see there are no tables in this database. Now, with the help of MySQL command, we'll restore Sakila India database over here. Let's go back to command prompt, and over here we'll change the path of our current directory to the folder where mysql.exe exists. cd path of the folder, hit enter. Now we'll enter MySQL command. MySQL, name of the host, username, prompt for the password, and name of the database where we want to dump data from our backup file. I will enter here Sakila India less than operator and location of the dump file. Click enter and it will ask for the password. Enter valid password and click enter one more time. And that's it. There are no errors on the screen. That means our database is restored successfully. Let's validate that by going to MySQL Workbench. Click over here and click refresh. Sakila India database is already expanded, and under tables you can notice list of the tables which we have just created with the help of dump file. Right click on any of the table and select rows. Notice that in result set we also have data. That's it. We have successfully restored Sakila India database on our US server. If we do not specify the name of the database in MySQL command line, for example, over here I have specified Sakila India, MySQL will restore dump file to the database which was the origin of the dump file. In simple word, in our case, it will restore all the data on the top of Sakila database. If that happens, we will lose US Sakila database and will have copy of India Sakila database on the server. Hence, be very careful with the options you specify in MySQL command when you restore any database from dump file.